To understand how the dog's sense of smell can be 1,000 times better than humans, we have to take a close-up look at how the dog's nose works. Long pendulous ears and a wrinkly face waft scent particles up from the ground. Hidden inside the nostrils is an incredible structure, the secret of the dog's powers. A maze of bony passages lined with over 200 million nasal receptor cells trap the incoming scent particles. There's a further unique adaptation that prevents an outward breath from blowing away any scent particles directly in front of them. A flap of skin moves in and seals the front of the nostrils, forcing the air out sideways and backwards, leaving particles on the ground in front undisturbed, ready for the dog's next sniff. Today, bloodhounds and many other breeds are already doing very modern jobs, detecting bombs, counterfeit money, and drugs.